When considering most changes in life, for most people, it's not without some trepidation. Especially in the situation of weight loss, most would agree that it's not seemed on favorably. In fact, most people view it as unpleasant, restrictive, and full of deprivation. With this kind of sentiment in your mind, it is no surprise that the success rate for individuals dropping weight in this nation is what it is. However, it's not only this viewpoint that confounds the issue. When we appear at change generally, of any type, there are several elements that should be considered. Whilst the person must have consciousness of a problem to be able to alter it, she must even have the sense of management competency required to create the alter, but she should even have viewers to support the change. Primarily an audience for alter offers the person with a feeling of consciousness of herself. As these about her at the camp will discover things about her that she might discover about herself, she will start to create an increased understanding of herself. For example, an additional camper might complement her ability at a specific sport, and produce this to her interest. When this happens, she'll start not only to know herself more fully, but also start to develop a way of identity around the good change. Essentially, she will begin to determine herself as much more athletic. Finally, the viewers that supports the person's weight loss offers the client a way of connection from which to start to develop a sense of purpose in her pursuits. Once the person has the capacity to connect her efforts towards any change to something higher than herself, the change by itself begins to take on a sense of purpose. For this reason, it's not at all unusual that these in restoration from drugs or alcohol become drug counselors, or those who achieve significant weight loss turn out to be individual trainers. As these people received good support for their changes, they naturally had been in a position to connect these changes to something larger than on their own, that is, assisting others. Within the situation of weight loss, helping others to also lose weight offers a way of purpose in one's personal lifestyle. Nevertheless, it is not without first experiencing the good assistance through those around her, that the individual feels as if her personal weight loss achievements can signify a sense of purpose for other people as well. It's the good assistance of those in the weight loss camp that provides just that for your individual trying to lose weight.